have no idea what is this.
Calling dibs.
Huh?
Dibs.
What is this?
Means it's mine.
No, that's mine. Good evening, guys. So I just got home from work. Today is Tuesday. What time is it? 10:20 p.m. So finally I'm off tomorrow. I'm excited. So it's cold outside. Yesterday it's snowing hard, so it's still cold today because of the weather yesterday, because yesterday it's snowing. So I'm not sure how cold tonight though. It's cold. Let's find out. Let's ask Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather tonight?
In Denver, there's a freeze warning in effect until Wednesday, May 22nd, 8 a.m. This evening, you can look for mostly cloudy skies, with temperatures around 33 degrees.
It's cold. 33 degrees, guys. Malamig siya. So, I was busy Saturday and Sunday. So, I don't have time to watch all the vlogs. So, I missed 2 days not watching our friends' vlogs. So, tonight, I'm happy I can stay late tonight and watch till late all the vlogs that I missed. So, yeah, I'm gonna watch your vlog, guys, tonight. Babawi ako. And while I'm watching your vlogs, kasi I missed 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. I was so busy, so I haven't time to watch vlogs. So, babawi ako ngayon, guys, while watching your vlogs, guys. Hinihingal pa ako. It's cold outside. 33 degrees, it's cold. So, I have a salsa. It's a hot salsa. And I'm gonna eat that with this, guys, the Santitas tortillas. Masarap to, guys, na kainin, lalo na pag may anitong spicy salsa. Yung mga Mexican salsa, I have the spicy one, not too bad, just a little bit spicy. So, mag-watch tayo ng mga vlogs, guys. Hinihingal pa ako. Malamig kasi sa labas. So, open natin yung computer. Makulit, ano pa, guys, tawag dito? Ayan yung computer ko. Ang gulo, magulo yung ko, palaging magulo. So, open natin siya, guys. We'll see. Yehey! Ayan na, guys. So, ayun. So, tomorrow, I'm excited. Tomorrow, magwa-vlog tayo, guys. Because I haven't upload vlogs since 4 days already. So, babawi ako kasi busy. Busy ang... busy, guys. Busy. So, I'm happy that I'm off tomorrow, Hehe. So guys, I'm gonna end this videos and I'm gonna watch all your vlog, guys. Isa-isahin ko kayo. Babawi ako kasi busy ako ng 2 araw, Saturday and Sunday. So ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time na medyo mahaba kasi okay lang mag-stay ng late. Ngayon kasi bukas day off ko. So yay! So while I'm eating my chips, I'm gonna watch your vlog, guys, and I think I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday. I'm off today, so yay! I'm gonna play around today. This is the days that I have plenty of time to play around. Where is my favorite coffee pot? Here. So yes. Just woke up and go straight to shower and let's coffee, guys. Ang cute. Good morning, cup. So cute. Hi. Magkape tayo ngayon, guys. Yeah?
Yeah, you're gonna have really nice quiet days off.
Oh yeah. I'm thinking like I can't believe today it's already today. Huh.
I think it's good.
So coffee time, guys. Yeah, good morning coffee. Very cute coffee cup. And let's add a little bit. Why still making noise? A little bit. Creamer. Yes. And yes, coffee is done. Patong muna kita dyan, guys. Maglalagay lang ako ng konting-konting sugar. We're gonna do unboxing for that, honey. With a space. Okay. Ooh. Too close. Let's drink coffee, guys. Good morning. Our package just arrived today, so why not to unbox it for this vlog? I don't know. Ooh, I'm excited. Really?
I feel like you have the wrong lens. How do you change that?
Oh, we have to retake it again.
I don't think I can change it. Okay.
Are you like...
It should focus on you now. Okay.
You're messing up my camera again.
No, I'm making it right. You had it so that the corner was the focus point.
So I don't know, is this the sleeping bag, honey?
That's not a sleeping bag.
What is it?
Those are pads.
Oh, the pad. So, is it two?
No, that's one. I don't know why they say it's only one.
Yeah, that's weird. We got two, right?
Yeah.
So, this is the pad for camping, guys. We're gonna use it for camping soon. So we're going to camping. That's how you open package. This one, I'm excited about this one. It's long. It's long.
She's being dirty.
No, I'm not. I didn't say anything. I just said long. It's long, guys. Okay. So what is this next one? Dun, 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 dun.
That's another box.
I'm energetic today, honey. Because I have a good. Like I told you last night that I'm going to wake up early, but I didn't hear the alarm. Did you hear the alarm, or did you turn it off?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. Oh, that's scary. It's a pointy.
You gonna stab you?
I'm opening it from the wrong side. Look! I'm excited. I'm the girl in... If you watch, guys, the movie... What's that movie, honey? Hunger Games! I'm the girl in the Hunger Games. I have this arrow, bow arrow. I'm gonna shoot you. I'm excited. It's kind of sharp though, honey. Wow.
Yeah, it's an arrow. Supposed to be.
Yee. Oops. Not breaking anything.
Yeah.
That's it. So, oh, it's look like the color is look like if you people go to the mountain and do hunting. Camo. Yes, camo.
Camouflage.
What's this for, honey?
To protect your arm.
Put it here?
Yeah, on your inside.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so cool.
Otherwise, the string will hurt.
I'm gonna find an outfit, cute outfit, wearing my arrow, huh? Like the girl who in Hunger Games.
Grames.
Hunger Games. And I'm gonna braid my hair. And like have a boots, combat boots. Oh, that would be cool. Or like the girl in a Tomb Raider.
Okay.
I get another one. I don't know where it goes to. And this is gonna be exciting. Ow. Wow, it's look like they doesn't want to open it. It's like they I got it. Why they have lot of paper? Ooh, that's a good paper though, like thick paper.
I think it's Target's.
Target. Do you think?
Mm-hmm.
We decided to unbox it here, guys, in the kitchen because it has a little bit nice sunlight over here. Oh, this is so cute. I'm excited. I don't know how to. So we're gonna figure it out later. I'm just gonna show you guys what we got today. I'm so excited. I'm gonna pick the really nice outfit. Oh, it's broken.
No, it's not.
It looks like crack. Can you see that, guys? But it's not. That scared me. Oh, yeah.
Nope,
Like
not
this?
that way.
Like this, honey?
Nope.
Oh, got you. Like that?
Nope.
We're gonna assemble it first, okay?
Hold it like that.
Oh, like this?
No.
Like this? Oh, yes! This is the purpose!
That's
Oh.
backwards.
I'm getting excited already. Like this one?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh my god! I'm gonna shoot bird. No, I'm not killing animals, okay? I'm just gonna shoot like trees.
Okay.
Not animals though. I'm breaking it already. And how about these? What's this, honey?
The rest of it.
The rest of it? Oh, that's cool.
Stuff in the end and take it out.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, you might need a knife.
Oh, ow. They use the very good tape on it. Maybe because it's like, you know, it's sharp. And then they don't want like, you know. Oh. Yes. Told you, they package it really good. It's hard to open.
Try with a knife. Just don't cut the product. No, go between the two. There you go.
What's... Oh my god.
Just gently cut. Don't press hard. No. Pressing funny. You're killing me.
I got it. It's easier.
Now you're
to
cutting towards the product.
I'm not.
Hold it. Nice and gentle, honey. Okay, maybe a little harder.
How long, Mom, in Vegas, honey?
Not sure. Days.
So here we go, guys. Hehe. Let me open it. Just want to. Yay! I need to throw that away, those surfaces. That's a nice,
Something.
yeah, I don't know. We're gonna assemble that later. It's gonna take a while to do that. So this is the last one. I have no idea what is this.
Calling dibs.
Huh?
Dibs.
What is this?
Means it's mine.
No, that's mine. You got me an outfit?
Not that I know of. Did I have our name?
Maybe this is mine. I open it. What's the name?
Find our address. Should have a name
Oh
above.
my god, this is for Joe. Sorry. Why you didn't tell me?
Your fault.
It's probably so. I'm not sure, Joe or Mom.
Well, it'll have a first
Oh,
name.
this is for Mom. Okay, never mind. This is for Mom. I accidentally opened the package that not supposed for me. This is Mom.
What is it?
I remember she bought like a workout outfit,
Oh.
like leggings, tank top. Yeah, this is for Mom. You see? 16 wide, active tank top. I accidentally opened Mom's where did you order it, in Walmart? Sherry. Yeah, this is for Mom. I opened it already. Yes, this is for Mom. Okay, never mind. So this is not us. I'm getting excited that you bought me an outfit for my arrow.
Nope. That'll never happen.
Okay, never mind. Well, I'm just gonna let her know that I accidentally opened her package too. So Hehe Dan's assembling it already. The arrow.
This is a bow.
Oh, this is the bow. Okay, so that's the bow. What you're doing? Putting a screw.
Putting in the bolt that holds it together, because this is a cheap piece of crap toy. But I'm not a professional hunter, so I'm okay with it.
Honey, that's long. Wow. How are we gonna take that? Carry it like that's really long.
Well, we have a truck, so it'll fit. And even if we had the smallest car in the world, it would still fit.
Oh, did you pick the black one, huh?
Oh, why didn't you stop me?
What?
It's backwards.
Oh. Okay, he's putting everything in the... Now.
It's the simplest thing in the world.
Okay.
You don't want to have the arrow at like a weird angle, like too high or too low. But you can just look at this, and when it sits even, that's about where you want it. And one finger above, 2 fingers below. Just kind of put your finger right there to just kind of hold the arrow in, and whoop.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I can hear the string.
See, here's why you need that arm thing. If you don't have a really strong wrist, it goes and it hurts real bad.
Oh, okay.
So you don't want it up here. You want it like there.
Oh, okay. That's the purpose
But-
of it. Yep. That's loud.
And this thing's supposed to, with full draw, which will take 35 pounds of force, it'll go 70 feet per second,
Ooh.
which will kill anything it hits.
Oh, wow.